Hello students, welcome back to lecture 11, print preview, zoom, page setup, print option of word processing package. Course name introduction to software package, course code 1618303. So content of the lecture is print preview, page setup and zoom print options. Now we will see what is print preview. So in word processing, print preview is referred to formatting a document for the printer, but then it's displaying on the display screen instead of printing it. So the print preview is more commonly called a preview or preview. So in Office you can print and preview files from the same location by clicking and then print it. So or you can use shortcut key Ctrl+P. So this is the image shows that how to preview your documents. So first of all you have to go to the file menu and you can go to the print. If you click the print option from the file menu, so it will show automatically in your documents. You can see this image, your document is viewed previewed in this location. Here the print preview button shows you how your document will look on the printed page, and when you click on print preview option, your word window changes quite a bit, so you cannot edit text in this view. So it is just for reviewing your work before you print. So how to view print preview? So you can go to the file menu under the menu tab, and then you will find out the print preview item. So you can click that print preview. So the preview and it is make changes to the pages before it printing. So next we will see that zoom. So what is the use of zoom? You can easily zoom a document in Word to change its magnification level by using the zoom slider. So the zoom slider appears in the lower right corner of the application window. So you can click and drag the slider left towards the minus symbol, so that is the magnification level, and the magnification level is the percentage which appear to the right of the zoom slider. So you can click and drag the slider to the right or towards the plus sign to increase the magnification level. Alternatively, you can click the plus symbol or minus symbol next to the zoom slider to increase or decrease the magnification. So additionally, the zoom dialog box lets you precisely zoom a document in Word. To access this dialog box, click the actual zoom magnification level in the status bar. So this is the image shows that how to use zoom option. You can go to the view menu in the classic menu bar, and you can click the zoom option. So which is shows in the images, bottom of the images. There is a different levels of zoom option, 100% and 1 page, 2 page and page width. So you can, based on your requirements, you can use the zoom options. So some basic zoom settings also appear in the view tab, that is ribbon within the zoom button group. Here you can set the zoom set to 100% and 200%, 75%. So by clicking the button of the same name, or you can use page width, text width, whole page, or you can use many pages options. These are all the basic zoom settings options. So if you want no quickly view one page or multiple pages or the full page with by clicking the buttons of the same names. So to choose display multiple pages at the time, click the many pages. So there is a many pages icons in the zoom option. You can select how many pages you want to view, then click OK to save and apply the changes you made in the zoom option in the zoom dialog box. Next one is page setup. Page setup is one of the important option that is used to set of specific parameters involving the display and the layout of printed page. So aspect of page setup includes setting of margins and there is a different levels of setting of margins are there, and page orientation like portrait and landscape and other features. So page setup menus can help user to set these attributes in order to ensure a print or project is done correctly. So word processing application may or may not have dedicated page setup menus. So first we will see that page orientation. So there is a two page orientation options. That is, first one is landscape and portrait orientation. So landscape means the page is oriented horizontally, and portrait means the page is oriented vertically. So to change the page orientation, first you have to select the layout tab, click the orientation command in the page setup group. So in this first image, it clearly shows that how to select the layout tab and how to click the orientation command from the page setup group. And there will after clicking the orientation command, the drop down menu will appear. So click either portrait or landscape to change the page orientation. So the page orientation of the document, that will be changed after clicking that portrait or landscape. So next one is page size. By default the page size of a new document is 8.5 inches by 11 inches. So depending on your project, you may need to adjust your document page sizes. So to change the page size, first of all you have to select that layout tab and click the size command. So there is a drop down menu that will be appear. So first you have to current page size is highlighted. So click the decide predefined page sizes. There is a different predefined page size that legal, executive, A4 and A3, A5. So you can select or you can click the decide predefined page size. So after selecting the decide page size, that that will be changed in your, that will be reflected in your documents. To use a custom page size, so it allow you to customize the page size in the page setup dialog box. So again you have to click on the layout tab and click size, select more paper size from the drop down menu. So the page setup dialog box will appear. So this is the page setup dialog box. So you can go to the width and height values, and you can adjust the values for width and height, then you can click OK. So the page size of the document will be changed. Next one is page margins. So a page margin is a space between the text and the edge of your document. So by default, a new document margin are set to normal, which means it has 1 inch space between text and each edge. So to format page margin, again you have to select the layout tab, then click the margins command. You can see this image clearly to shows that you can click the layout tab and go to the margins command. So there is a drop down menu will appear, then you can click the predefined margin size what you want. So you can select, there is a normal predefined margin size, narrow size, moderate size, wide, mirrored, then default size also there. So there is a different predefined margin size are there. You can choose any one of the size and click OK. The margin of the document will be changed. To use custom margin, first of all, no, you have to go to layout tab and click margin and select custom margin from the drop down menu. So the page setup will be appear. Then you can, there is a different margins are there, top, bottom, left, right, and gutter position, and there is a orientation, portrait, landscape, pages, multiple pages, and preview, that is apply to option, that apply to option for apply to whole document or particular first document or two document or current documents, etc. So you can go to the margins, top, bottom, left, right, then adjust the values for each margin. Finally you can click OK. So the adjustment of the values will be reflected in your current document. And suppose if you want to change the orientation of your document, you can click the orientation, portrait and landscape. You can select portrait or landscape and click OK. And so this page setup applied to the current document or whole document. You can select the particular document and you can click OK. So this is the way to use the custom margins. Then print options. When you are ready to print a document, you can click the file tab and click print command. So to use different printer or change printer settings, you can open the print dialog box, then specify the which printer you want to use. So what to print and how many copies to print. So you can also make other changes in the settings. Example, suppose if you want to print A4 size, you can choose normal size of size printer. Suppose if you want to print A3 size or any other higher size, you can go for the higher level machine. So before printing your document, so preview your document. So click file print. So to preview each page and click the forward and backward arrows at the bottom of the page. So if the text is too small to read, you can use the zoom slider at the bottom of the page to enlarge it. So this image shows that clearly how to print it. So you can choose the number of copies and any other option what you want. So and click the print button. So and there is a settings in that print option. You can you can customize the settings. So there is a default print all pages. That means the whole thing going to be print. So you can change the proper. That means you can change the print settings. So if you want to print only certain pages, print some of the document properties. Click the arrow under the settings and click print all pages. That is default. So then you can see some of the options. Click even pages. Click odd, print even pages. Print odd pages. Likewise, you can choose your required options and you can finally go for print. And also there is a portrait orientation and a paper size also there, margins also there, and how many pages want to print per sheet. So 1 page per sheet, 2 page per sheet, and 4 page, etc. So you can use these all options. So print options. To print only certain pages, do one of the following. So to print the page shown in preview, select print current page, and to print some other pages except like 1, 2, 3, select custom print. Then enter the first and last page number in the pages box. So to print individual pages and the range of pages at the same time, so individual pages like page 3. So if you want to print page 3, you can just give that page, the page number 3. Then range of pages, if you want to continuously take 3 or 4 pages, you can like page 4 to 6, you can give page 4 to 6 in that particular area and click print option. And for that, what you have to do, you have to select custom print and enter the page number and the range of and its ranges that is separated by comma. Then you can go for the print option. So summary of this lecture. Hopefully in this presentation you may have learned that how to do print preview, zoom, how to align a Word document using different page setup options, and how to print a Word document using different print options. So this is the reference. You can go through this all reference books and get additional information from these books. Thank you.